Good morning, traders. This is Rick Majors here at Opteck.com. Welcome to today's daily market briefing. Here we are at Wednesday, the 16th of July. Interesting previous day. Tuesday, we had a lot of different changes. So far, Janet Yellen is still very optimistic about the U.S. market recovery, unemployment rates, but did shed some light, of course, on the job market and that a lot of people are still part-time, and they need to start tapping into especially a lot of the small percentage of unemployed that are long-time unemployed and just simply discouraged from returning to the working market. Now, British pound-wise, we did get some good stuff this morning so far with the average earnings index claimant count change and the unemployment rate. Average earnings came out a little bit less, but overall the claimant count change also dropped. So while we might see a decrease in paychecks, we're seeing a lot more people are working, which economically speaking is a greater boost. Now, so that's spreading some good news for the pound for today. Even though the fluctuation did screw up the trend a little bit, we should see it correct itself by the end of the day. Next up, coming now, we have manufacturing sales in Canada and the PPI in the United States. Both are looking considerably improved, so forecasts are very positive. We should be looking for a dollar that's going to do pretty well today on the overall. But coming up at 3 p.m., we have the monetary policy report from the BOC and BOC rate statement, overnight rate, and then, of course, in the U.S. dollar, Janet Yellen will be speaking again. And then 4:15 p.m. after that, we have the BOC press conference, which obviously is going to really create a lot of volatility in the North American market today. So keep your eyes on the USD CAD, USD Canadian. That's one is definitely going to be causing some fluctuation around the later hours. On the overall, really things that we want to be keeping an eye on today are, first of all, Microsoft. If you're into stocks, Microsoft has officially announced that it will be cutting up to 5,000 jobs from its company due to acquisitions and, of course, trying to cut down. Rumors are that they will be cutting it from their Xbox division, that is their video game division, in order to simply integrate the new acquisitions into their company without overly having to basically kill themselves with expenses and paying people that they don't need to. So they're going to be cutting down on some of their own, I think actually, what was it that was written? They said it was going to be coming from the European division. So actually in London we might see some jobs lost there as well from the Microsoft European headquarters. Now, overall, other than that, keep an eye on gold as well. Remember that anything that the dollar affects, gold is affected as well. So we will be seeing some fluctuation there. The gold market has been a little bit down this month. It did hit some highs during June and May as well, and it's kind of been contracting since then. I don't think we'll be seeing a rise probably until near the end of the month. If you remember last year as well, during the end of June, it did start to spike, and the opposite is happening now. So at least by the end of July or into August, we should start seeing it rise again. Alright guys, that's all I had for today's daily market briefing. Keep your eyes, however, open for these market events that are coming up at 3 p.m. You're going to see a lot of volatility there. But on the overall, it should be a very interesting day. A lot of participation, a lot of trading going on, and a lot of good opportunities. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe down at the bottom of the page if you'd like to stay tuned with us Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. GMT. And as usual, this is Rick Majors here at Opteck.com wishing you a happy trading day.